twice-cooked pork. The most popular dish on Southwest China's dining tables. Simple in appearance, but detailed in ingredients and process. Firm meat, layers not separated, fat and lean intertwined. This determines the deliciousness. Clean thoroughly, briefly boil in cold water. Add ginger and white wine to remove odor. Boil on high, add a few Sichuan peppercorns for aroma. Lower the heat, cook until 60–70% done. Very important. The inside is not fully cooked. Keeps the meat fresh so it curls nicely when fried. Slice each piece as thick as a coin. Best enjoyed with leeks in winter. Because leeks are more fragrant this season. Use red bean paste and aged soy paste for aroma and beautiful color. Mix. Sweet sauce with yellow wine. For easier stir-frying, heat canola oil in a pan. Add pork, stir-fry until juices and aroma come out. Hot meat curls into rolls, shaped like lanterns. Add red bean paste. Fry until fragrant. Coat the meat evenly. Add a few fermented soybeans for extra flavor. Pour in sweet sauce. Stir well. Add fried garlic for aroma. Add leek leaves. Stir fry until just cooked. Finally, add a bit of white sugar for taste. Then plate the dish. Delicious twice-cooked pork is ready.